Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Monitorix on Debian version 11.3. Monitorix is a free open source lightweight monitoring system designed to monitor numerous services and system resources as possible. It has been created for use with production Linux and UNIX servers, but it's also suitable for embedded device due to its simplicity. First I will check the OS version. I am using Debian version 11. Next I will check the IP address. Next I will update the apt repositories. I am going to next I will install the Monitorix packages by using following commands. The Monitorix package can be installed successfully. Next I will restart the Monitorix service using systemctl command. Next I will check the status of the Monitorix service by using systemctl command. The Monitorix status can be active state. Now I am go to the browser and ping the following address. Enter the localhost and port number. This is the dashboard of the Monitorix. Then click OK. The Monitorix can be shown for the various information about the system load average and file system usages, all the system service demand, network port traffics and device interpreter activity. This is the installation process for the Monitorix Debian version 11.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.